right there guys, how's it going? Well, today we're going to be building a flower box for Violet's Wendy Castle. Why do we need to do that?
Because Daddy buys some flowers.
Because I bought Violet some flowers. And she absolutely loves the colour pink. And these are some pink petunias here. So what we're going to do is you're going to build a flower box for the balcony of her Wendy Castle. And if you've not seen the Wendy Castle build, make sure you check the little tag or the description below to watch that, because it was quite a good build, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Right, Violet, you ready? Let's go.
Daddy's in the word, but first we have to know how big the plant is going to be. I'm going to mark the sides of 70 centimetres and I'm going to start at that one. I'm going to get my daddy to cut the pieces of wood now. Daddy! Daddy, cut all my pieces. All I need to do is put them together.
Wait. Go. Go. Right, wait. Okay. Go. What we have forgotten is this little thing here needs to go on. So Daddy's going to do this bit quickly.
Is that the bottom bit?
That is the bottom bit. So Daddy's just going to do this because he doesn't want your fingers in the way when he does it, right? Alright, so as you can see, the nails have come through on this side. Yeah? All we have to do is hit them with a hammer.
Now get it into the button. This is installing the buttons. This is my favourite bit. I get to paint it pink. And I love pink and purple. Daddy got me pink and purple paint. Daddy didn't want to think worked out, so he put a sheet down. I love pink. but I have to leave it to dry. And I have a pink nose because Daddy painted my nose. Ah! Daddy did some work off camera because he didn't have me in here. And he made my flower pot pink and purple. And he also put some weed memory on the inside. Now I have to make some flowers for drainage. And find that me.
That's it. And then another one here. Perfect. One here. One here.
I need to put the dirt in.
Okay.
Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed this build. I really enjoyed this one because now I got my very own flowers. I'll see you next time and subscribe to my channel. And also I lost my first tooth yesterday.